The other side, beautifully fried. Look at this.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to pan fry this beautiful barramundi fish cutlet. I first use a kitchen towel to dry it up and then put a little bit on salt to marinate it. Right, the first rule is waited until your oil started to smoke, meaning we want to see smoking point. Then it's the time when you put in the fish. And of course you can use a long spatula to help you to keep a distance away from the hot oil. After that, you can't really do anything, leave it there for about a minute or two before we continue. Use at least medium to medium high, medium to medium high heat to deep fry your fish, and or pan fry the fish. And also, it has been a while since you last seen Appa using a stainless steel wok in my videos, mainly because of some technical reason. Not so much of the fault of the stainless steel, but it's a technical problem between the stainless steel wok and also the my video with my new equipment. So what would be the difference between using a stainless steel wok and also a non-stick? Well, basically, generally stainless steel wok will transmit the heat higher and also faster. Therefore, you should be able to pan fry even and get a even nicer char on the fish itself. But the thing is, it can also get stick to the bottom of the wok at the same time. This is a problem you don't have when you are using a non-stick wok. So this is after approximately 1 minute or so. You can push it over. Oops. Very hot. The heat is definitely so much hotter than when I was using the non-stick. Look at the color of the char, you already know. So let's also fry this side for another about approximately 2 minutes. Actually, this particular cutlet is extremely thick, almost like 2 inches, or so very thick. So probably it will need a little bit longer time. The oil keep on smoking. I feel it's a little bit too hot, so I actually lower it down a little bit. Lower it down the temperature a little bit. All right, this is after another 2 minutes. Let's see the other side. Beautifully fried. Look at this. Beautifully fried. Something that I can't really achieve using non-stick. I'm doing this because this is super thick. Okay, I'm going to do this for about 1 minute, then I will take it out. Just want to make sure inside is fully cooked because this fish is very, very thick. Done. I'm going to take it out. Push it to the side to allow for it to render. Then we shall raise the fish on top of oil absorbing paper for a minute or two before we serve it, put it onto the serving plate. Alright, so here's Appa's deep fried or pan fried. This is actually half deep fried and pan fried. Chinese say 半煎炸, semi pan fry, semi deep fried. This is my favorite way. Alright, so because you can fry more of the portion of the fish, but not so much oil as in when you are using compared to when you are using deep fry. Okay, so I hope you like my video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Don't get too stressed out whenever you are frying fish. Bye bye.